How do you pop this? Can you try? Let's talk about calcium release. Calcium-releasing materials have taken the dental market by storm in recent years, but they've been around and used in procedures since the 1930s. There are many different types of calcium sources, such as calcium silicate, calcium hydroxide, tricalcium phosphate, and more. To receive the full benefits of a calcium-releasing material, it must be formulated to allow for water to pass through and interact with the calcium and release calcium ions like TheraCal-LC. Once the calcium ions are released, the interface will raise to an alkaline pH, which will promote pulp vitality and pulp healing. The interaction of the calcium ions can also stimulate hydroxyapatite and secondary bridge formation. See, calcium release is just as fun as confetti. How do you pop this thing? Can you try it? Let's talk about calcium release.
That was too far.
Did you hit the ceiling?